Welcome to the podcast EU Right, the connection between the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the EU and the citizenship. The Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union has been in force for more than 10 years. Yet, not many citizens know about their rights and how to rely on them. A Eurobarometer report in 2019 showed that more than half of the respondents have not heard about the Charter at all. Further 30% have heard about the Charter, but do not really know what it is. And only 12% of the respondents have heard about the Charter and know what it is. This podcast explains the provisions of the Charter. Each of the 6 episodes focuses on one title of the Charter. In this episode, you will learn about the history of the Charter and its first title on dignity. The Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union was drafted in 1999 and 2000 and entered into force on December 1, 2009. It consists of 54 articles and guarantees fundamental rights and freedoms to everyone in the European Union. It is structured in 7 titles: dignity, freedoms, equality, solidarity, citizens' rights, justice, and general provisions. The EU institutions and bodies have to apply the Charter in all their actions. The Charter is also binding to the EU member states when applying EU law. For example, if a member state adopts a national law based on an EU directive, the provisions of the Charter also have to be respected in the adopted national law. Let us take a closer look at the first title of the Charter, which is dedicated to dignity. The explanations to the Charter state that the dignity of the human person is not only a fundamental right in itself, but constitutes the real basis of fundamental rights. Dignity is also one of the values of the European Union mentioned in Article 2 of the Treaty on European Union. The essence of dignity is that human beings are subjects and not mere objects. No one shall be treated as an object. The first title comprises 5 articles. Article 1 guarantees that human dignity is inviolable. This is the most important fundamental right. Article 2 enshrines the right to life and prohibits the death penalty. Article 3 guarantees the right to integrity of the person, which, for example, includes the prohibition of reproductive cloning. Article 4 prohibits torture and inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment. And Article 5 prohibits slavery and forced labor, which nowadays also includes trafficking.